1970 Volkswagen in an elegant skin color finish. At first glance, it looks simple. But the moment you get closer, you realize you're looking at a true automotive legend. This classic Volkswagen isn't just a car, it's a piece of history on wheels. The smooth curves, iconic design, chrome accents, and timeless styling instantly take you back to an era when cars were built with character and soul. From the front, the round headlights and vintage grille create a look that remains recognizable even after decades. Along the side profile, every line reflects classic German engineering. And at the rear, the elegant design reminds us why this car became one of the most beloved vehicles ever produced. Step inside, and the nostalgia becomes even stronger. The simple dashboard, classic steering wheel, analog gauges, and carefully crafted interior deliver an authentic driving experience that modern cars simply can't replicate. Every detail tells a story of craftsmanship and heritage. Under the hood,